She won't touch me, but I'm scared.
Yeah.
Hello, boy. Oyo. Oyo. The one is there. Only three, huh?
Mm.
Three. Oh, they have horse. Black horse.
Also?
Hmm.
Oh, it's coming. Yeah, something with the rider.
Horse farm. Hello, boy. Hello. Hi. He's sweet, friendly.
Yeah. Friendly. Thank you. You got some food. Careful, it's coming to you.
No, I don't have food. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. I don't have food, my friend. They have a black horse. Hello.
Nice horse. Yes.
Maybe we can bring the car here. No.
Yeah, you can bring it here. But the road is very bad too. Football.
Oh yeah.
Is it? Horsey.
Oh, they have coming.
Yeah.
Coming. Hello, horse. Horse. Hello.
Horse. Could you show me your teeth? Show me your teeth. Oh,
No, na 2 minutes. You see the sounds, guys. Oh, baby, very big. You see the white color.
yeah. Uh-huh. The horse?
No, not horse.
What?
Eagle, I think eagle.
Seagull.
What a beautiful. Oh, baby.
Yeah.
Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. He's sweet, oh, baby. Very
Yeah.
sweet. He's friendly.
The other one didn't like it.